Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Gemini with Google AI Studio, and I'm going to share with you the differences between these two and what you can actually expect. So first thing first, the AI Studio is a developer playground. It's a place to test prompts, experiment with Gemini models and export working code. On the other hand, with Gemini, it's like the AI assistant itself. It can help you with brainstorm, write, create across Google products like, let's say, Gmail, Docs and Sheets. So that's for the Gemini. Now, the AI Studio is great for researchers, developers, and students. And also the Gemini is also for those people, but also for general users. Now, for the Google AI Studio, what you can actually expect here is that you are going to have the safety filters, multimodal prompts, director code export in Python. Also, you have talk to Gemini Live here. We're gonna talk when you have webcam where you can even share a screen, so that's great. And with Gemini is you can have the chat here, then you can also upload the file, add from Drive, and that's for that. And you can have also deep research here. Now, the access and pricing. So AI Studio offers you free with usage tiers, aimed at letting developers try Gemini Pro and Flash before scaling. And Gemini is free too, but advanced models like Gemini 2.5 Pro and Ultra are included in Google One AI Premium. So that's for it. The output, you can have code, APIs, artifacts for apps on Google AI Studio. And with the Gemini, it's you're gonna get the answers, drafts, and creative content. So that's pretty much it for both what you can expect. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.